Hi, my name's Kate, and I'm going to show you how to use your Envato's Author's Keygate solution to authenticate your Envato's buyer account, activate your purchased license, and finally how to unlock the locked forums to submit a ticket in your author's support forum. This video guide created by Envato's author Oxybug, we use our website for demonstrating purpose, so you will see some differences between our website and your author's website. Now start activating your project. In this example we are using our project mag for you for demonstrating purpose. The Keygate solution name will be Envato Castle, and your Envato's author's name between parentheses. In this example we are using our Oxybug's Envato Castle. Now let's install and activate the Envato Castle Keygate solution plugin and the other recommended plugins to be able to unlock the project's premium features. As you can see, the Envato Castle plugin for author Oxybug notify you with 2 steps to authenticate and verify your project's license, and in the left pane, you will notice the plugin's menu item Oxybug's Castle. Now go to Authenticate page to authenticate your Envato's buyer account. In the agreement below, we need your permission to verify the purchased licenses done from your author's store. Hit I agree green button to log in securely in Envato's website and give us these permissions. If you have multiple accounts in Envato, you can do the previous step for your other account. Now go to Licenses page to verify your license of the purchased item. Enter the purchase code of your project and hit Activate button. If you don't know how to get the purchase code, watch the video guide from the link below the text box. Congratulations, you have verified and activated your project's license and received another list of plugins to unlock the project's premium features. Let's install and activate them. Now you have learned how to authenticate and activate a purchased license of a certain project. Now let's see how to submit a ticket in the author's support forum. And again, in this example we are using our website Oxybug for demonstrating purpose. From Author's Castle Licenses page, you will notice a box underneath the Submit a Ticket button to learn you how to register and submit a ticket in the author's support forum in couple easy steps. Firstly, create an account in your author's forum, and if you already have account, just log in. Paste the activation link has been received in your mailbox and complete the activation process, then log in. Now authenticate your Envato's buyer account once again to associate your registered user you have just created with your buyer accounts. You can access the Authenticate front-end page from the menu item in the admin bar or from Envato client green button above the forums list. Congratulations, the authentication process has been done. Let's verify your purchased licenses from Oxybug store to unlock the locked forum and to be able to submit your support ticket. So, in this page you will see all your purchases have been made from your author store, and in this example, the first license belongs to the project mag for you we have activated before in the first step, and the other license belongs to an HTML project, and it just added and associated with the buyer Tedworks licenses. Now return back to the forums page and visit the forums belongs to your purchased projects. You will see that these forums are unlocked and you can submit your support tickets. Now you are a member in our forum and your buyers' accounts have been associated with your local account, so to visit your author's forum, easily return back to your website. We are going to remove that registration box. Go to Authenticate page and refresh your buyer account information. So now you can use Submit a Ticket button to access your author's support forum easily from your website's admin panel. Envato Castle help Envato's authors and their buyers to provide great support. Envato Castle has an option to collect some useful information about the buyer's host and send it to the author to check it out and provide the appropriate suggestions according to the current settings and values. You can check the information will be collected from your host using Server Info menu item, and to send it, go to Authenticate page and from your buyer's box select Send Server Information and hit I agree button.